What's up, guys? So I just got home from work, and lately I've been trying to find little moments that I can kind of like sit and meditate. And one of my favorite meditations has been playing with my new sound bowls. And spending a lot of time with them, figuring them out, trying to find what works for them, what works for me, building a connection with them. And I don't know what compelled me to record this today, but I figured it would be fun. And who knows, maybe it would be good for you guys or help someone else out. I don't know. My light just kind of went down, but I don't mind it. It looks kind of cute, so. Let me just find my center here. Hopefully you enjoy. Life's been like so wild lately, and I feel like I've had so many like moving parts. You know, I went back to school, changing careers. You know, friendships have shifted, and I don't know. I've had to spend a lot of time kind of sitting with myself lately, and that always has been like something that was a huge fear of mine. And the universe has kind of forced me to lean into that and learn to love being alone. And in that time, I've had a lot of time to like reflect. And we're starting a new year soon, and there's a lot of habits and like old way of thinking that I don't want to bring into this next year. And I've been journaling and kind of unpacking what that is. I feel like maybe everyone's kind of feeling the same. I feel like every time it gets near a new year, we start thinking of things that we want to end, like bad habits. You know, maybe it's a person, maybe it's a place, who knows? But we all start writing down that list, right? Sometimes when I play these bowls, I feel compelled to like sing little mantras. Granted, I'm not the best singer, but it makes me feel good. You are free, you are free. You are free, you are free. Trying to set myself free from all of this stuff that's been holding me back my entire life. And as many of you may know, I went sober about a year and a half ago, and I feel like my drinking and my partying and my fear of sitting at my own and my FOMO has really held me back a lot, and I've gotten to really work on that this year. You are free, you are free. You are free, you are free. How about you guys put in the comments maybe some things you want to leave in 2025 that you don't want to bring into this new year? share some things in common. Maybe we can help each other out. I don't know. But you can add that into the comment section and let's start a little dialogue around that. Trying to love on myself a little more. Maybe open up my heart so that I can love someone else. I've been fairly closed off. I feel like I have been carrying so much stuff my entire life, and you know, one person can only carry so much before things start to crumble, and trying to let all that stuff go so that way I can open myself up to really receive the blessings that like are placed in front of my face. You are free. What do you want to be free from? You know, life's hard. The media, the news, it's all so much. It's just like an overload. Sometimes the internet can be a little overwhelming for me. Sometimes even social places can be overwhelming, like picking up on all these different energies.